Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pure Biology, and today I come with another video, that is the correlation, and it is the topic related from biostatistics. And before this topic I have already explained different topics that is obviously related to biostatistics also, mean, mode, median. So you check out that previous videos, and if my channel is helpful to you all students, so obviously share this channel with your friends. Okay, so today's and also I want to say thank you to all of you who have already subscribed my channel, because without your help my channel never grows. Okay, so let's continue. This is the correlation. Correlation means, what is correlation? Correlation actually, this is the coefficient of correlation. Okay, and it is always denoted by the small r. So what is the correlation? Actually, if there are two variables, so must be there is a relationship between the two variables, and we measure this relationship with the help of this r, or coefficient of correlation. Clear? So suppose if we just take one example, that is temperature and intensity of cold. Okay, so if temperature is high, so the intensity of coldness not so much. Okay, but temperature is low, then coldness is possible. So this is a very easy example, and there is the relationship between the two variables, that is the temperature and the intensity of the coldness. Clear? So before going to the analysis, how to analysis or how to calculate the coefficient of the correlation, we have to know the few about this R value. Okay, what is the first of the types of the R values? These are maybe positive, negative, moderately or partially positive. Okay, moderately or partially negative. Okay, absolutely no, and perfect and imperfect. So if the positive, that means the R value is the 1 plus 1. Okay, R value must be obviously within positive values, that belong within the positive values. Okay, and if this is negative, that means R value belongs to minus 1. If partially positive, that means R value belongs 0 to 1. And if our that correlation that is moderately or partially negative, that means its value obviously belongs between minus 1 and 0. Okay, and if this is absolutely no, that means the R value is 0. And if this is perfect and imperfect, in that situation, here in case of perfect, we must get one straight line curve. Okay, one straight line curve. But in case of imperfect, the R value that lies between, as it is maybe perfect or no. Okay, it is maybe perfect or no. And what is the formula for the calculation of the R value? This is summation of dx dy divided by root over summation of dx square into summation of dy square. And dx is what? That is the derivative of x, and dy is the derivative of y. Okay, so this is very simple just explanation about the correlation, and after this we will learn how to calculate R value with a proper example. Okay. Okay, so now we calculate correlation, that is R value. Here this is the problem. Suppose x is the variable, y is the variable, and this is example number 1. This is the x variable, y variable. So these are the values of x, 5, 9, 13, 17 and 21, and I have already written here. And y value, that is 12, 20, 25, 33 and 35, and I have already written here. So now first we have to calculate the x bar. X bar means the mean value or the average value of x. Clear? So here the average value of x is 65 by 5. Answer is 30. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are there. And first we have to add this and divide it by this 5. Answer is 30 x bar. Next column, that is dx value. How to calculate dx value? Dx value is first x minus x bar. How we calculate x minus x bar? 5 minus 13 equals to minus 8. Next 9 minus 13 equals to minus 4. Then 13 minus 13 equals to 0. Then 17 minus 13 equals to plus 4. And 21 minus 13 equals to then 21 minus 13 equals to plus 8. Okay, now we have to calculate dx square. Okay, dx square value, that means minus 8 square, this is 64, minus 4 square, this is 60, then 0, then 60, and then 64. Okay, so here we have to write summation of dx square, that is equals to 160. Okay, 160, and here we have to write summation of dx equals to 0. Okay, because if you add this plus minus and plus, both are totally cancelled. Next, dy, y value, same way we have to calculate dy. Okay, so first of all, y bar, that we have to calculate, y bar, that is 1 to 5 divided by 5, answer is 25. Okay, next 12 minus 25 equals to minus 13, then 20 minus 25 equals to minus 5, then 25 minus 25 equals to 0, then 33 minus 25 equals to plus 8. Okay, and 35 minus 25 equals to plus 10. Okay, then here also dy, summation of dy, this is also 0. Okay, if you calculate this, answer is 0. Next, dy square, that means 13 square is 169, 5 square 25, 0, 64 and 100. Okay, so here the total summation of dy square equals to 358. Clear? And now we have to calculate dx dy. Dx where this is the dx and this is dy. Okay, so by multiplying dx and dy value, we will get dx dy. First is 104, second is 20. Okay, first we have to, okay, this is the 8. Okay, and this and this. Okay, so this is 0, and next one 32, and the next one 80. Okay, so 13 is multiplied by 8, 5 is multiplied by 4, 0 is multiplied by 0, plus 8 is multiplied by 4, and plus 10 is multiplied by plus 8. Okay, so summation of dx dy, that is equals to 236. Okay, so we will get all the values. Now just we put there and to get our values. Summation of dx dy, that is the 236. We just put here 236. And root over of summation of dx square. Which one? This is 160. Clear? And summation of dy square, 358. Clear? So if you calculate this is the 236 and this is that 572.80, 572.8, not point, sorry, 572 and 80. This is the answer. And if you square this one, then you will get 236 divided by 239.33. And if you calculate this, then you will get 0.986. This is the approx. Clear? And you all know obviously to calculate the square root value. I think so. And obviously I just will help you to calculate how the square root here. Suppose this is 57280. Okay, there is no space. I will calculate this one in after rubbing this. Okay, I think you can properly understand how to calculate the R value. This is the easiest method. And if you consult any book that is related to biostatistics, then you will get the same manner or same method how to calculate this R value. Okay. Next, in the next way, I just help you to understand how to calculate this root value. Okay. Okay. It is just I show you how to calculate the root value, because I have faced there is a problem when I am calculating this R value. That means when the answer is we will get in point like the 2, 3, 4, 5.50, then how to square root, it was a problem, and I had faced this problem in my when I was learning. Okay, so if it is, I think you all know how to calculate. But I obviously tell you, if you haven't any calculator in just doing this work, then how to calculate the root value. Suppose this is the number, then, and this method is called the division method. Okay, so here first we have to take 1. That means here we have to make a pair. Okay, and this is starting from the last one. Okay, this is starting from last one. So here the first one is the single. So and here the calculation starts with a double number. That means 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, just like that. So first here 5, which number is just going with the 5, that is the 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So I have written here 4. Okay. Just after that I subtract this 4 and 5, and after this we will just get 72 as a whole or as a pair, and here I just put the 72. Okay. Then this value, this 2 number is multiplied by 2 and we will get 4. Okay. And then this 4 value is calculated like that. Okay. That means if you put here the number, the same number you have to put here. Okay. Then after multiplying, this number you will get. And after subtraction, then this is the number. So 80, this is the pair in form, and you just write here 80. And what we'll do after that? 23. 23 is your number now. So 23 is multiplied by 2. Then this is the 56. You have to write here 56. After this 56, and after this writing 56, one number must be put here. Okay. So in that way you have to calculate this value. And if there is a point, then what we do? Then after giving a point, we have to write here 0 in pair form. Okay. Not in single form. In pair form. This is the value, pair form, and then calculate in the same manner. So this is the actual calculation of the square root. I just explained here because I think that students must have curiosity how we'll get the point form of the square root, just like this. So that's why I have explained here how we'll get the square root value. So this is the correlation example.